Today I'm going to show you how to create a part in an assembly. So first you're going to want to open your assembly and go to Insert Components and go to the drop down. And you're going to want to click New Part. You can also do a new subassembly inside this assembly and it works the same way. But I'm going to show you Part. So we're going to click New Part, and as you can see, our new part shows up in the feature tree. So we're gonna rename this. We're gonna say, let's see, slide cover. Click enter. All right, so now we have this new part. Now we need to actually create the part. So I'm gonna go into right click, edit part, and I'm going to create a new part using the sketching features, the part features inside this assembly. So I'm going to do a slot right here between these two. So now we need to define this. We'll say 0.6, that's fine. And make these radial. Okay, so now we can extrude this. Extrude this up. Sure, that sounds good. Now we can exit and rebuild, and now we have this part, and it's automatically going to be mated to wherever we drew it, but we can also float this and drag it around wherever we need to. But it'll automatically go ahead and be mated. And as you can see, it actually has the origin of the assembly as its origin. So now if we go to, so now this is a virtual component. Now if we go to, if we go to save this, click save all. It's going to give us a couple options. Now, if we only need to use this part in this assembly, we can use save internally inside this assembly, and this part will only show up in this assembly. Now, if we want to use this part elsewhere in other assemblies or sub-assemblies or whatever, we can use save externally, and this will actually save the part as its own file in your file manager. But yeah, that is creating a part inside of an assembly.